Hello, it's Karen and I am here today with everyday balance tip number 19. It's called the lunge. The lunge is something that strengthens your quads, your glutes, and your hamstrings. It also strengthens around your knees, your ankles, and all the way around your hips. It's also a great hip flexor and quadricep stretch. We are working in the extreme sagittal plane when we do a lunge, very front to back, but I do want your feet to still be hip width apart. Don't try to line yourself up one foot in front and one foot directly behind the other. Feet hip width apart. I'm turning sideways so you can see that range. Have a chair or a wall or something nearby to help you balance so that if you start to go down, you can hold on to something. Your front foot is planted. Your back foot has the heel up. Your torso stays tall, your rib cage down, and then you bend at both knees. You want to make sure your front knee doesn't go in front of your front toes so that you don't put too much stress on your patella. Notice the great hip flexor stretch that I'm getting. If you can't go all the way down to the floor, don't worry about it. Work within a range of motion that is pain-free for you. That's one foot in front, then the other foot in front. Again, if it hurts, don't go so deep that it causes you pain. Work within a pain-free range of motion. The lunge is something that builds a lot of great strength and also forces you to work on balance. Everyday tip number 19 is the lunge.